All right, so let's say we want to go ahead and integrate our social media account, and we're going to do that through the settings options. So on the left hand side of the screen, you'll see settings at the bottom. We're going to click on settings, and then we're going to go to the menu screen again at the bottom. We'll see integrations, and we'll click on integrations. Now, you should already have, if you went through the social media setup through the marketing page, you should already be connected to Facebook. So, which gave you permission already with Lead Connector to connect to connect your application with Facebook and Instagram to Lead Connector. So when we get to this page, it'll be a little bit more simpler as far as trying to connect everything together. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the Facebook and Instagram icon. It'll be grayed out. And then we're going to click connect. And then we are going to click on the Facebook page. It'll come up like this that says switching accounts to. We're going to click continue. It'll ask us select which Facebook page we want to link to this location. We'll click on the drop down box. We're going to click on our business that's on our Facebook page. And then Instagram is already available for this account because Instagram is connected with Facebook in this instance. And then we're going to click on connect Facebook and Instagram. If you do not have Instagram, then this will just say it won't be available, or Instagram is not available for this account, or it'll be grayed out, or it won't appear at all. So we're going to click on the green button for connect Facebook and Instagram. And then now you'll see that it is highlighted with the Facebook colors and the Instagram colors. And now you are connected.